welcome to Seventh Diaries. Today you might be wondering why I'm in the video talking today, but Susie, what day is it?
Mother's Day!
It's Mother's Day. You probably already know the rest of the world has a different Mother's Day, but today is called Mothering Sunday in the UK. So today me and Susie, we were planning to take my mum on a picnic, since my mum, she likes the nature and being outside, though she hates gardening, but still she loves the scenery and all the parks and all the green. Different people have different opinions about what they want as a present, but my mum, she says if a present comes from your wallet, it is not coming from your heart. She always likes things that me and Susie make, even if it's just an acorn painted in blue. Write down in the comments below what you give your mum on Mother's Day. This Mother's Day, I'm taking my mum on a picnic outside in the park, since my mum, she hates going to restaurants, because you probably already know, she's a health freak. So today, we're going to go on a picnic, and I'm going to make some food. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm going to be baking some things, and Susie's going to help me as well. Somehow, I made my mum stay in bed today. She's always getting up in the morning, doing yoga, doing this, doing that. But today, I want her to have a complete, proper rest. I'm going to make a very healthy breakfast for her today. Come and see what I'm going to make. First things first, my mum loves fruits. So, what are we going to do, Susie?
We're going to make a fruit salad for breakfast.
Yeah. Do you want to take the strawberries?
Yep, I'm going to take the leaves out. Don't eat them. That'll be... No! Do you take these off?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I made the fruit salad, it's here. And now I'm going to make some lemon juice because my mum, she always likes drinking lemon juice in the morning. She says it's good for your health. Don't eat any. It's for Mum, not you. Lemon juice is ready. Now we have to give it to Mum. Look, Susie, I got some flowers from the garden yesterday. Do you want to hold them?
Dun, 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 dun.
Did you make that at school?
Yes.
Oh, Mum's going to be happy. Should we go give this to her now?
Yes.
Come on then.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, sweetie.
Happy Mother's Day, Mum.
Oh, you made my breakfast. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
I made a card for you.
Oh, I can't wait to read the card. Buddy, look, they made a card.
But it's upside down. It's upside down.
Okay, let's open it. Did you do all this drawing for me?
Yeah, I did that at
Who's
school.
this?
You!
Oh, do you have a pet like that? I look very cute in the... Oh, what's this?
A card.
Beautiful card. Look at the picture. She thinks it's me. She looks
Open
how
it,
cute I
Mommy.
am.
It's actually me!
It is. Oh. Look at the card. That's Sissy from school.
La 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 la.
Oh, to Mummy, happy Mother's Day. I love you from Sissy and kisses.
No, I didn't play any kisses.
Yeah, you have. Look, this is a kiss.
That's a heart.
And a kiss.
Da da da!
It's very beautiful card. Thank you, kiddos. Thanks for the breakfast. They made some fruit salad for me, and I think this is lemon juice. Yeah, my morning lemon juice. And did you pick the flowers from the garden? They're very beautiful daffodils. It's beautiful. And my very favorite Swiss chocolate. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, sweetie. It's very nice. Susie, I know you're planning to take me somewhere. Can you tell me where it is?
No.
Tell me, please.
No.
Tell me.
No.
Give me a clue. A little clue.
It starts with a P.
Starts with a P.
So what's he doing?
I'm making apple pie for the picnic. Do you like apple pie?
I love apple pie.
Shall I make it quickly then?
Yes.
I'm so happy today that the girls brought me here to this village. You know, this village is one of the most beautiful villages in England. It's so serene and beautiful. The water, the ducks, flowers, everything. Look, this is the village of the year. It's a very beautifully kept village. Oh, we are having so much fun today. You know, after a very, very stressful week, this is very relaxing here. Look at the ducks. Quack, 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 they're quacking away. Susie, look at the ducks. And the water here is so beautiful.
This is the North Pole.
Look at these thatched roofs. I just love those roofs. You know what my dream is, after retirement, me and Pati have decided to buy a house in the countryside. One of these little cottages with thatched roof. They're very pretty, aren't they? If you like wandering around on foot as I do, this village is a delight for you, with the beautiful churches and a little pub, country pub, a little school and post office. It's beautiful.
We found our picnic spot in the woods. I've already started setting up all the food.
And we have started eating tea already.
Don't eat all of it. I want some. I made some apple pie this morning.
Looks very nice, Sam.
And some sandwiches as well.
Everything is nice.
Do you want some tea?
Yeah, is that my herbal tea you made?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's very nice tea.
Sam, I really want you to help me on my shelter.
What? We'll help.
That's what I'm doing as well.
Yeah, here you go. Which way? Honey, do you want to cut the pie?
Yes, please.
I don't want some because I have steaks. I don't want any dates.
Why not?
I hate dates.
We just had a picnic in the woods and we are going to the lake now. Look at the kids, they're all energetic today.